In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own progress bar in Canva. Whether you're tracking goals, visualizing progress, or adding a unique element to your project, a progress bar can be a practical and visually appealing tool. So let's jump into the process together and break it down step by step. First, start by accessing your Canva dashboard. Here, you have the option to create a new design or choose from your recent projects. For this tutorial, we'll dive into our recent designs. This approach not only saves time, but also lets you build on something you've already started if desired. Next, we're going to add a shape to act as the foundation of our progress bar. Over in the left-hand panel, you'll find the Elements tab. Click on it, and in the search bar, type Shape. Explore the options available to suit your style. To get a better look, click on See All to reveal all the shapes you can work with. After selecting a shape that you like, drag it onto your canvas and position it. Think of this as the base or background of your progress bar. Once you're satisfied with its position and size, you'll need to duplicate the shape. Duplicating ensures that you maintain consistency in size and proportion, which is crucial for it to visually represent the progress accurately. Place this duplicate over your original shape. It's essential to ensure they cover each other precisely. This will allow the progress bar to appear seamless when it animates. Now comes the personalization part. Let's change the color of this duplicate shape. Click on it and then navigate to the color palette. Here, select a color that will stand out against the base shape to effectively showcase progress. Choose a hue that resonates with your project's theme or simply one that you visually enjoy. The final touch to bring your progress bar to life involves adding animation. With your duplicate shape still selected, head over to the Animate option on the toolbar. From the animation styles, select Wipe. This effect animates the shape so it gradually reveals the progress as intended. The Wipe animation miraculously transforms your static elements into a dynamic progress visualization. And there you have it. Your personalized progress bar is ready to be incorporated into your Canva project. This feature not only adds a professional edge to your designs, but also offers viewers a clear and engaging way to grasp information. Don't hesitate to experiment with colors and shapes to match your overall design aesthetic. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more handy Canva tips and tricks.